In this video, I would like to go over a major concept in the section 4.2 of our textbook. And the concept is, given an angle, find the values of the 6 trig functions which are here: cosine, sine, tangent, secant, cosecant, and cotangent. So let's try this. Let's take a look at this first example here. Let's say that the given angle is 30 degrees. Okay, then at 30 degrees, we are looking at this coordinate point, and the definition of cosine is that it's the first coordinate point, or the x value, and sine is the second coordinate point, or the y value. Alright, so at 30 degrees then, we have that cosine. Let me, since we know the angle already, instead of theta, I'm just going to put 30 degrees here, is radical 3 over 2. Its reciprocal secant, and once again, let me just put the 30 degrees, since we know the angle, is 2 over radical 3. And of course, we can simplify this. We should simplify by multiplying by the square root of 3 top and bottom. And if we do that, we get 2 square root of 3 over 3. Okay, so that cosine, this is secant. Let's move on. Sine of 30 would be 1/2. Its reciprocal cosecant would be 2 over 1, or just 2. Moving on. Tangent of 30. Definition of tangent is that it's sine over cosine, or y over x. So let's take a look at the parentheses again. What is y? Y is 1/2, and x is radical 3 over 2. The way we simplify these fractions is to take the bottom fraction, flip it over, and multiply. And so we get 2 times, actually the 2's cancel out here, so we just get 1 over radical 3. So that is the value of tangent. Of course, let's simplify that. We get radical 3 over 3. And then finally, the cotangent. That's just the reciprocal of tangent. So instead of getting 1 over radical 3, we're going to get radical 3 over 1, or just radical 3. So let me circle these answers. So cosine, that's the answer. Secant, that's the answer. Sine, we get 1/2. Cosecant, we get 2. Tangent 30, we get radical 3 over 2. And cotangent, we get the square root of 3. So those are the values of our 6 trigonometric functions. Alright, let's do another one here. Let me erase these. Let's do one for which the angle is not on the unit circle. Let's do, let's say that the angle is 17 pi over 4. Okay, well, 17 pi over 4 is equal to, I recommend that that we find its coterminal angle, and we can do that by changing this fraction into a mixed fraction. And we get 4 goes into 17, 4 pi plus pi over 4. That's the remainder. 4 goes into 17, 4 and 1/4. Or because we have the pi there, 4 pi plus pi over 4. Now in the unit circle, that's going to correspond 2, let's take a look, 4 pi, 2 pi, 4 pi. 4 pi gets us back to 0 here. And then we move up another pi over 4. So we're looking at this situation, or this angle here, this coordinate point. This is my x value, and that's my y value. Cosine and sine. So cosine of 17 pi over 4 is equal to radical 2 over 2. Its reciprocal secant is equal to the reciprocal of that. Which is radical 2. Sine of 17 pi over 4 is equal to, let's see, the y value, radical 2, oh, the same thing. And its reciprocal should be the same then. Tangent, which is y over x. In this case, we have the same value for y and x, so when we do y over x, we're just going to get 1, and the cotangent of that should also be 1. And those are the values of the 6 trig functions. And that is it.